In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your photo into aesthetic fashion mood boards with Gemini AI. By the end, you'll have a polished, collage-style mood board built from your own portrait and outfit without any design software. All you need is a clear photo and access to Gemini. Start by opening your Gemini account and signing in. Give the page a second to load fully so your tools are ready. From the home screen, click the plus icon to start a fresh session. This makes sure Gemini focuses on only the content we're about to provide. Now upload your image. Choose a well-lit portrait where your outfit details are visible. Neutral or simple backgrounds work best because the mood board will pull colors and style cues from your photo. Once it's uploaded, look for Tools, then click Create Image. This activates the image generation mode so Gemini can compose a layered collage. Next, enter your prompts. To keep things simple and consistent, copy and paste the exact prompt I've included in the description. Here it is so you know what you're pasting. A fashion mood board collage with multiple surface layers. The main portrait photograph is placed on a separate white or cream-colored surface that sits on top of the textured background, such as fabric, cardboard, hempboard, or chalkboard. The portrait has all edges intact and visible with a slight crease effect at the corners for authentic realism. Surround the photo with distinct cutouts of individual clothing items and accessories from the outfit, with some accessories partially overlapping and blocking the edges of the portrait. Each item appears only once and is clearly separated on its own white or cream surface layer. Add playful, handwritten notes and sketches in a marker-style font using colors sampled from the portrait photograph. Label each item with its product name and include size or color details beneath in smaller text. The overall color palette matches and harmonizes with the tonality of the portrait photograph. The aesthetic should be creative, cute, and layered with realistic collage composition, depth, and dimensional surfaces pinned together. Paste that into the prompt field. If you like, you can personalize specific labels, sizes, or color notes to match your outfit, but keep the structure intact for best results. Finally, wait patiently while Gemini processes. Generation times can vary, especially with detailed prompts, so avoid refreshing the page. When it's done, you'll see a cohesive, layered fashion mood board that harmonizes with your photo's tones and highlights your outfit items with clear labels and playful notes, exactly the aesthetic we're going for.